Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy One Take 5. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know what I do, I make videos on my 2021 Mustang GT with the 10-speed. We're actually going to be heading to my tuners today for a revision ever since I got my headers on. And we're also going to put on the dyno as well, and we're going to see what the car is making. The car does feel like it did pick up some good numbers, guys, but the only thing is this car needs a revision on the E85. And we're actually about to put it on the dyno. So last time we made 430 wheel with 390 torque. And this is a heartbreak dyno, guys. This is not like no dyno jet or nothing. So my numbers are going to read way lower than what a dyno jet would read. So honestly, what I'm predicting, I would say 460 wheel and like 418 torque, 419. If I'm lucky, but that's pretty much what I'm thinking, or what I'm guessing for this setup. As far as the dyno guys are kind of getting everything ready right now. They're getting everything they need to start the dyno and also the retune as well. So we're going to see what kind of numbers it makes. See, they're not going to do anything right now, but they're going to let me know once it's ready so I can record some pulls for you guys as well. So alright guys, we just got out of the dyno right now, and you just saw those clips. So we made 455 wheel horsepower with 409 torque. But yeah guys, as far as the numbers, going from 430 to 455 and 390 to 409, picked up good torque, picked up good power as well, not bad at all. Like I said, if I get a KN drop-in filter, I'll probably gain, I don't know, anywhere from, 5 to 10 extra wheel horsepower, just because the stock airbox on these cars are really good already. So unless you get like a P51 intake, I heard those are really good as well. But all right guys, heading into Mexico right now. About to get some small pulls for you with the new revision. Probably do a 50 and a 60. And we'll see where my car is at. just did those little pulls for testing. Pretty good. Car's running smooth. Definitely faster. You can definitely feel it. But like I said, guys, happy with the numbers. But yeah, guys, what's next? Probably most likely it's gonna have to be a Manny, either ported Manny or a Cobra jet and a P51 intake, just so we could be full bolt on. As far as that, got nothing else. I'm really debating on doing a little, you know, one take 5.0 2.0 coming action with it. Come in with some boost, guys. Man, I don't know. Not yet. We'll think about it. It's a possibility. I've been thinking about going with some boost, but as far as the daily driver, the setup's pretty good, and once I go full bolt on, I should be you know, marking anywhere from 480 to 500 wheels. So we'll see what happens, guys. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys until next time.